Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shepon. If you want to make a good health, you must doing physical exercise without any instrument, without going to gym and using any kinds of tools which is developed your body muscle and reconstruct your body. If you want to make a good and strong body, you must doing physical exercise. So I try to give you instruction and doing some physical exercise. Then you follow me and see my videos and doing physical exercise and make your good health. So this physical exercise divided into three parts: stretching and warm-up exercise, main exercise, and cool down or recovery exercise. First of all, we start stretching and warm-up exercise. Without the stretching and warm-up exercise, you fell into some problems that is called injured. And there is different kinds of injuries you will be felt. So that if you want to do well your good health and exercise, you must first stretching and warm up your body, then you will do physical exercise. So that first I show you how to stretch your body, upper to down, down to upper. So first we start from our head. First of all, we start head exercise. Head bending, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Neck twisting, left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This way you can do this exercise 15 times or 20 times every day. Then another exercise is shoulder exercise, shoulder shrug. First exercise, three parts. Again I tell you, starting point, main exercise, and muscle construction. Which muscle include in this exercise and developed your muscle and body. So now we are doing shoulder shrug exercise. Starting anatomical position, stand and straight your legs, your straight to the shoulder, and straight your hands close to your body, and counting 1 up, 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, 8 up, 9 up, 10. Then again shoulder circling, back to front. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and front to back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Today this is our first part of stretching and warm-up exercise. Next videos we will see more and more stretching and warm-up exercise. Thank you very much.